The SUMIF formula within Excel functions very similarly to other if formulas within Excel, this time in adding multiple numbers together. As with other if formulas, the SUMIF formula only adds numbers together once a criteria has been met. So, for example, if you have a stock column with numbers between 1 and 10, you can specify that the stock should only be added together if one of the entries in the stock table is above 5. Like the COUNTIF formula, SUMIF formula works very similarly in that you only need two main criteria for the formula to work properly. You firstly need to specify the range that you'd be summing together. So this can be multiple columns or a single column. And then you secondly then need to specify the criteria that needs to be met for the sum to be completed. For example, having a stock greater than 5. In our example, you'll see that once I specify the criteria to be greater than 5 and hit the SUMIF formula to be entered, that I'll only get the end result based off of the cells that contain a number greater than 5. If you need to do greater than or equal to, you will need to specify this in your criteria that also needs to be contained within speech marks. If you don't use these speech marks, you tend to find the criteria will not function as intended. Once I've specified my criteria and hit enter, you'll then see the end result reflects the entries that I've put into the formula. If I then go and change one of the entries in the table, you'll then see the formula result changes to reflect this. So the SUMIF formula is just another quick way of using an if formula to save you time in terms of filtering for your data, and can be a quick and easy way of adding numbers together based off of a particular criteria.